Business Security Alarm Inc. is a commercial and home security company that is headquartered in Columbus, Ohio. Our purpose is to continue to be a cutting-edge technology, innovative company with smart security products and services that give our customers safety and greater peace of mind, without worry and stress. We pride ourselves on customer acquisition, satisfaction, and retention. We are well informed and experienced in home and business security protection. We have an obsession with safety. Truly, we are wholeheartedly dedicated. We have the ability, capability, potentiality, and competency to protect your freedom and comfort. We are consistently good in quality and performance. We have firm and unwavering belief in reliability. We, evidently and apparently, have better knowledge in security technology. We are surely and certainly confident in what we do. We have the know-how, mastery, proficiency, practical skill, expertise, resources, technique, talent, and prowess to successfully and efficiently meet your home and business security and protection needs. We have a multicultural environment with a lifestyle of diversity, creativity, and inclusion. We are a company that believes in advancement based on performance. We offer a comprehensive wealth of employee benefits and compensations. We believe in work-life balance. Grab the BSA advantage. Business Security Alarm Incorporated, security services, cameras, and home automation.